Hi, Delta. Um, I wonder how busy you are because sometimes you don't take my suggestions, and it can't be because you disagree, because you don't argue. So it makes me think you must be very busy. So what you do looks great. I think this is very stylized, charming. You know, I wouldn't have drawn these spheres so that they don't match the other ones, but at this point, the way the baseball is sort of wonky, it looks like a personal style. This is nicely drawn. I think you're going to need a little more contrast between the black and the skin tone and the gray hair. If it was printed on newsprint, these would just blend and look like one color. Also, think about shaping the elbow a little tighter, like it would have more of a point to it. Not a strong one, but it would be rounded. So that looks a little different. Also, you're the expert, but don't baseball bats get a little wider on top? Consider that. Finally, it just looks like you copied and pasted the syringe and put it over here. Now, you wouldn't get hired for that. They would fire you and hire a different illustrator. So if you do want to go with this jar, consider filling it through full of pills or something. I mean, you got to come up with original solutions for every illustration. Okay, so that said, if you did this in InDesign, which I'm wondering, also, you can do this in Illustrator, but you want to design so that the type doesn't run directly into the illustration. And you can do that through the different settings. I'll find them and link them for you. Otherwise, in graphic design, designers edit out hyphens and widows, but you have a few hyphens, so you definitely want to take care of that. Let me know if you have any questions.